Welcome to the 33 session of Management Accounting relating to 5th semester of BBA, Bangalore University. So in this session, we are going to discuss a problem on fund flow statement. So that is problem number 3. From the following balance sheet of Jasmine Limited, made out statement of changes in working capital and fund flow statement. That means they are asking us to find out the changes in working capital and also the fund flow statement. So we have a balance sheet here and also the adjustments. So on the liability side, we have equity share capital, redeemable preference share capital, then the general reserve, profit and loss account, proposed dividend, creditors, bills payable, and provision for taxation. On the asset side, we have goodwill, land and building, plant, debtors, stock, bills receivable, cash in hand, and cash at bank. So additional information, that means adjustments. Depreciation of rupees 10,000 and rupees 20,000 have been charged on plant and land and building respectively in the year 2000. A dividend of rupees 20,000 has been paid in the year 2000. So these are the adjustment we have. So by using this, we need to find out the changes in working capital and also fund flow statement. So let's go for the solution. Step number 1 is preparation of schedule of changes in working capital. So we need to draw the format for that. So particulars, current assets, that is debtors, stock, bills receivable, cash in hand, and cash in bank. These are the current assets we have in this problem. So the year 2000 and 1999. So you need to compare the values to the previous one. Then debtors increased rupees 40,000, stock increased rupees 32,000, bills receivable increased 40,000. But in case of cash in hand and cash in bank, they decreased rupees 5,000 and 2,000 respectively. So the total A, that means the total current assets will be for the year 1999 2,82,000, and for the year 2000 it will be 3,57,000. Then current liabilities, creditors and bills payable. In the year 1999 we have 55,000 and 20,000 respectively for creditors and bills payable. In the year 2000 they changed to 83,000 and 16,000. So in the creditors we have a decreased value of rupees 28,000, and bills payable it has increased value of rupees 4,000. So the total B will be for the year 1999 75,000, and for the year 2000 it will be 99,000. So we need to find out the working capital, that is A minus B. For the year 1999 it will be 2,07,000, and for the year 2000 it will be 2,58,000, and the total increased value is 86,000 and the total decreased value is 35,000. So increase in working capital we need to find out in the next step, that is 86,000 minus 35,000, that will be 51,000 increase in working capital. So 2,07,000 plus 51,000, 2,58,000, and for the 2000 and the year 2000 it will be 2,58,000, and the total increased value is 86,000, and in the total decreased column 35,000 is the total decreased value, 51,000 is the remained increasing in working capital. So the total will be 86,000. Step 2, preparation of non-current accounts. So we need to do the working note. Working note 1 for land and building account. So the opening balance is 2 lakh. To balance brought down 2 lakh. By depreciation, we need to provide the depreciation of rupees 20,000. Then closing balance, by balance carried down 1,70,000. The closing balance of land and building is 1,70,000. So the balancing figure 2 lakh minus 20,000 and 1,70,000. The remainder, the 10,000 will be the balancing figure as by bank account. Then working note 2 for plant account. So opening balance of plant is 80,000 and depreciation is 10,000. We need to provide the depreciation 10,000. So the closing value of plant is 2 lakh. So the total 2,10,000 minus opening balance of plant is 80,000. So 1,30,000 will be the balancing figure as to bank account purchase of plant. Then working note number 3 for proposed dividend account. So by balance brought down 42,000 opening balance, that one. Then to bank dividend paid, we paid 20,000 rupees dividend for the shareholders. So to bank, dividend paid 20,000. Then to balance carried down on the debit side, that the closing value of proposed dividend, that is 50,000 in the year 2000. So the total will be 50 plus 20, 70,000. 70,000 minus 42,000, the 28,000 will be the P&L account current year's appropriation. Working note number 4. Tax paid for the year 2000 is not given. That's why, or therefore, we assume that opening balance of provision is paid for the year and closing balance of the year is taken as current year's appropriations. So based on that assumption, we need to find out the working note for that, like provision for taxation by balance brought down, that is 40,000 to bank account. On the debit side, to bank account, tax paid, we are paying 40,000 tax. So balance carried down 50,000 it will be. So 50 plus 40, 90,000. So 90,000 minus 40,000, 50,000. That will be the balancing figure as by P&L account current year's appropriation. So we move forward to step number 3, that is calculation of funds from operations. So closing balance of P&L account is 48,000. Then opening balance of P&L account is 30,000. So the balance will be 18,000. So for that we need to add non-fund and non-operating items which have been already debited to P&L account. So they are depreciation on plant, depreciation on building, proposed dividend, provision for taxation, and general reserve. You need to take the current values 70,000 minus 40,000 and goodwill written of 1,15,000 minus 90,000, that is 25,000. So the total will be 1,63,000. 1,63,000 plus 18,000, 1,81,000. So step 4, preparation of funds flow statement. Fund flow statement, that means we have sources of funds like funds from operation, that is 1,81,000. Then we issued equity shares, that is 4 lakh minus 3 lakh, that means current and previous year balance. 4 lakh minus 3 lakh, 1 lakh it will be. Then sale of land and building, we sold that one. So the source of fund will be 10,000. So the total sources of funds is 2,91,000. So we applied that funds to something, that is like a dividend pay. We paid the dividend to the shareholders 20,000. Then redemption of redeemable preference share capital, that is 50,000. How that 50,000 came? 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh, the balance. Then tax paid, we paid the tax of rupees 40,000. That is also utilizing of some funds to something like purchase of plant. We purchased plant, that means we need to give a cash, means application of fund. So purchase of plant 1,30,000. Then increase in capital 51,000. Increase in working capital 51,000. So the both side, that is source of funds and application of fund, will be 2,91,000. Thank you. Have a nice day.